Today we have a used 2016 Julite. This is a steel frame aluminum skin trailer. Windows in the nose. 2 escape doors. They do show a little bit of damage there from a horse pawing up against that door. Doesn't affect the door, it's not bent at all. Just some dings on the inside. It's got a stud divider that is removable. Removable stud divider. Head divider. 2 pop-up vents. It's got a bulkhead window between the horse area and the dressing room. It's a wooden floor with rubber mats on that trailer. 4 brand new tires. Got a rear ramp with top curtains. Padded breast and butt bars, padded sidewall, padded removable divider, interior and load lights with separate switches. These are bars that can be placed where the breast and butt bars attach. So you can put one back here, take your divider out, take your breast and butt bars out, and then that solid bar can go across the back in case you're using the trailer for a box stall. And you can do the same thing in the front. Take the divider out. A pole would go where your breast bars are so that you have one open box. Running boards and fenders are in good shape. Little banging on this door, not quite as bad as the other door. But again, the door's not bent. It doesn't affect the door at all. Two escape doors with sliding windows, sliding hip windows. You can travel with those top doors open. Great dressing room, good size. Some stains on the carpet, normal wear and tear. Spare tire. Windows in the nose, they crank out. Window over the over the saddle racks, 2 saddle racks. You got bridle hooks and a window between the horse area and the dressing room that also slides open. Screen door on the dressing room door. So you can see there are some minor blemishes, probably tree limbs and things. I've rubbed the trailer. It's used. Nothing major. No structural damage. Again, the running boards and fenders are in really good shape. New tires. Just some little cosmetic areas. Had the brakes, the bearings, the seals, all that's just been inspected. Brakes were in great shape. Probably got the bearings packed. I'd have to double check that. But if it needed it, it got it. Nice little trailer. 2016 Julite. These ramps are super, super light. I can lift that ramp very easily by myself with one arm. Steel frame, aluminum skin, wooden floor. Great used trailer. $10,500. TrailerCountryLLC.com in Carrollton, Virginia.